We wish you have a good day. Take a look, listen, and relax because we will present in this video is all about emergency kit.
First, I'm Ella Badinas.
I'm Sandalin Batalero.
And I'm Nelsie Badinas. At sa video ito, malalaman natin kung ano nga ba ang emergency kit or what is emergency kit. Things should be in your emergency kit and what is importance of having a emergency kit.
First, ang i-discuss muna natin ay kung ano nga ba ang emergency kit or what is emergency kit. Emergency kit is a bag or box containing the equipment, supplies, and medication needed to provide an initial assessment and to manage life-threatening.
In short, ang emergency kit ay bag or box na naglalaman ng mga bagay na kinakailangan natin sa oras na hindi natin inaasahan, tulad ng mga sakuna. Ngayon, tumungo naman tayo sa second discussion, kung ano-ano nga ba ang kailangan nating ilagay sa emergency kit or things should be in your emergency kit.
Ito po ang mga bagay na dapat natin ilagay sa emergency kit. Matches o pusporo.
Important documents o importanteng dokumento.
Whistle o pito.
Flashlight and batteries and chargers o ilaw at baterya.
Radyo.
Food supply that is non-perishable food good for 3 days. Supply ng pagkaing ready to eat na aabot ng 3 araw.
Toilet paper o tissue.
Bottled water o tubig.
Money o pera.
Multi-tool wrench and can opener o mga kagamitan.
Clothing blanket o malinis na damit o kaya naman kumot.
Sanitation liquid or wipes o pandemics.
At higit sa lahat ay first aid kit. Ngayon, i-discuss na natin ang last topic, kung ano nga ba ang importansya ng pagkakaroon ng emergency kit or what is importance of having a emergency kit.
Emergencies happen and preparation and response can make a world of difference in the impact they have on you and your family. Having the items you need can be a lifesaver figuratively and literally in the event you have to evacuate your home during an emergency. Create an emergency kit and personalize it for your family's particular needs.
That's why always remember prevention is better than cure.
Again, I'm Ella.
I'm Sandy.
And I'm Nelsie. Thanks for listening and watching.